Hello there. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best reading chairs in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a reading chair. We'll put the links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Y-Stop Hammock Chair. Imagine being light as air, swinging in the wind under your favorite tree as you read the classics or the newest book no one could put down. That dream could be a reality if you buy the Y-Stop Hammock Chair. This hammock chair is made from cotton and comes with 2 comfortable pillows. It's the right size to sit up or lay down as you relax with a book. The chair can be hung from sturdy trees or crossbeams. Alternatively, it can be used inside with a made-for-purpose stand. Be warned, however, that this chair is extremely comfortable. You may never want to get out of it. Number 4. Urban Shop Faux Fur Saucer Chair. You don't have to put a major dent in your wallet to experience the comfort of a good reading chair, thanks to the Urban Shop Faux Fur Saucer Chair. With its circular shape and 100% micro mink fabrication, this plush chair, offered in 13 different colors, is a solid option for curling up with your favorite novel. Not only is this chair a strong choice in terms of comfort and affordability, but it's also perfect for small spaces. The durable metal frame folds, making for easy storage and portability. The downside is this chair's lack of armrests and a footrest, which could be uncomfortable for some readers. It has a weight capacity of 221 pounds. Number 3. Christopher Knight Home Alfred Fabric Club Chair. Thanks to its high backrest, curved armrests, and accompanying Ottoman, the Christopher Knight Home Alfred Fabric Club Chair is one of the most comfortable and stylish reading chairs on the market. Constructed with soft fabric and a tufted back, this chair complements almost any home decor, especially since it's available in 7 classic colors. Plus, the seat height is 17.5 inches, which is ideal for a reader who likes to keep their feet on the ground. This reading chair doesn't have the deeper seat, so it might not be a good option if you want to curl up with the latest mystery thriller. It's also one of the more expensive chairs on this list, which may be a consideration for those with a budget in mind. Number 2. Rivet Revolve Modern Leather Armchair. When looking for a classic yet still cozy style, look no further than the Rivet Revolve Modern Leather Armchair. With simple lines, tall tapered legs and sturdy square armrests, this modern armchair fits in with most home decor styles. You can assemble it in under 15 minutes, and because it's constructed with soft leather and beechwood, this durable chair should last for years of late-night reading. The height of the seat is neither too low nor too high, and it's also quite deep. The soft cushion and relaxed lean make it an excellent reading chair if you're tall or prefer to sit with your legs folded or curled up underneath you. Available in 8 colors, the leather renders this chair more expensive, so expect to pay for the feeling of luxury. Number 1. Homall Recliner Chair. Be warned, if you have a good book in the Homall Recliner Chair, you might never want to stop reading. With multiple massage modes, a double-thick backrest and footrest, and wide curved armrests, this modern recliner will easily become the most sought-after seat in the house. Its high-quality PU leather is skin-friendly and easy to clean, while the high-density thick sponge padding makes it durable and long-lasting. Plus, it doesn't hurt that this incredibly affordable recliner, which is available in 7 different colors, won't break the bank. However, if you like to read with your feet placed on the ground, it might not be the most comfortable reading chair for you. Now that we've shown you the best reading chairs out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Style. With an overwhelming amount of available styles, there is likely to be a reading chair to fit nearly any aesthetic. However, if you don't have a specific sort in mind, there are a few classic designs that tend to match nearly every home decor. Club reading chairs are typically fabricated with a durable leather or another thick fabric, plus these lounge-type seats usually come with a footstool so you can put your feet up and relax. Recliners are another popular option for readers, with modern styles offering features like a swivel base, cup holders, and even massage functions. Comfort and support. Comfort and support go beyond just having a pleasant place to read. A supportive reading chair is built with the proper ergonomics to ensure that it feels comfortable, even after a long period of sitting. Plus, an ergonomically designed reading chair can help prevent your sitting position from leading to long-term issues, such as chronic neck and back pain. Finally, you'll want your seat cushion to fall in that perfect middle ground of plush but not hollow. A down or down blend cushion is most likely to fit that criterion.